Hello, Professor Fortino. This is Group Alpha. I'm Hanping Chan, and our group members are Jingjie, Qingting, Songyun. Here is our San Francisco International Airport Marketing Innovation Proposal, which will offer actionable and specific recommendations to improve customer satisfaction and how to achieve marketing objectives. So let me introduce SFO, which company that we are working for in this case. SFO offers many kinds of airport facilities for both domestic and international customers, such as free Wi-Fi, duty-free retail outlets, comfortable dining areas, cultural and art exhibitions, and convenient ground transportation for travelers. This proposal will be useful for CMO of SFO who wants to know how to improve the overall performance of SFO. In terms of needs, we have internal needs and information needs. Internal needs mainly come from the lead executive objectives, including to be ranked as number one by passengers as an international gateway airport in our class, and to be the airport of choice from premium customers. For the information needs, we need to analyze the raw data to figure out our weakness and opportunities. Therefore, we would like to conduct the analysis to gain more insights from the raw data to accomplish our objectives. After knowing our needs and objectives, let's move on to the friend questions. We have 4 friend questions. Our first question is aimed to find out the key indicators of overall satisfaction of SFO in 2017. Secondly, we want to find out what factors were rated low by our premium passengers and what we should do to maintain our premium passengers. Thirdly, we want to test if there are some relationships between customer demographics and overall satisfactions to help us segment our customers. Lastly, we want to know if there is a significant difference between premium passenger scoring and regular passenger scoring. We will firstly use Excel to clean the dataset, and then we will use Jump to do the analysis. And you can see from this table, we list all the techniques and outcomes we will use to analyze each question to have a clear understanding of our vision of our project. And here's our solution. Let's look at the result that we got from testing. We found some key indicators influence the overall rating from question 1, which are food, sign, Wi-Fi, screen, and so on. Question 2 and 4 tell us premium passenger rating are significantly lower than regular passengers rating. And they are not satisfied to our stores and restaurants. And from question 3, we know that there are very weak relationships between passenger demographic features and overall ratings. According to the results from the research, we want to provide 3 recommendations to CMO of SFO. First, do not use demographic factor to segment passengers. It may be very hard to make a clear segmentation from this way. Second, focus on premium passenger and build a comprehensive CRM system. Premium passengers seem to be the key to success for SFO. Let's build a self-investigating and innovation system. Self-investigation and innovation is very helpful to increase passengers' rating. And it is our analysis process. Just as I mentioned before, we firstly use Excel and Jump to do the data cleaning and to define our premium passengers. After that, we use JMP to do the following analysis. We use linear regression model to answer the first question. Moreover, we run a factor analysis to see if there is any possible for us to cluster of variables. In addition to that, we use filter and tabulate to answer the second question, define what we should do to maintain our premium passengers. Next, we use correlation to find out the relationship between customer demographics and overall rating. Lastly, we use ANOVA to test if there are significant differences between premium passenger ratings and regular passenger ratings. So in the first argument, based on our first Frank question, we only use question 7 columns in the 2007 SFO customer survey data. So after using average to replace the invalid data, we ran the linear regression model to test if there is any significant indicator of overall rating in question 7. The results show that there are several questions that are significant with the regression model, as you can see from this. All these factors are statistically significant, and the effect summary shows that food, sign, and direction in SFO, free access to Wi-Fi, and information on screens have the most impact on overall rating. In other words, while customer rating the overall satisfaction, they will more likely to consider this question as a significant criteria to the overall satisfaction. And it is argument 2 is for the Frank question 3. So in this argument, we want to know the relationship between age, gender, and income and the overall satisfaction. Firstly, we did the data cleaning for question 19, 20, and 21, which are gender, age, and income. Then we use correlation to see each these factors' correlation with the overall satisfaction. According to the result that we did on JUMP, there is very weak correlation between these three factors and the overall satisfaction. So for the argument 3, we use the self-definition of premium passenger and regular passenger with all question 7 ratings and put them into fit Y by X model. And we put a category which are premium and regular passenger as X and question 7 rating as Y. Also, we found that rating points made by premium passenger are lower than the regular passengers. Therefore, we would like to focus on premium passengers. We use our own definition and filter to define the premium passengers. And we apply the tabulate to calculate the mean of all the question 7 serial questions answered by the premium customer, and found the 3 sections that gain the least points, which are store, food, and art. To sum up, we use SFO 2017 customer survey data to do the data cleaning and analysis to get the insight to accomplish our main objectives. The following are our recommendations. First, passenger segmentation. We will not suggest use demographic factors to segment passengers. Second, the premium passenger. We would like to focus on premium passengers and build a complete CRM system to attract more premium passengers and improve their satisfaction. Third, overall rating. We recommend to build a self-investigating system to find out the deficiency and to build an innovation system to improve the quality based on these key indicators and drivers to increase the overall rating. Thank you for listening.